We're going to speak about the most used tool in an office, the word processor. That's the core component of an office package. The word processor is no more and no less than a computer software application that allows us to input and format text. In the old ages, when they started, they were command-based or tag-based program that once you have prepared the document, you had to present it to see how it was and see if you have made something wrong and change it. But now all modern word processor have the what you see is what you get capability, where you see how things are gonna be while you're working, and you see the page as it will be printed in case you want to send it to a printer. In a word processor, you create your text, inserting or deleting words, editing it to correct or to improve the message, and then you save it to a file for further usage, or to continue later, or to print, or to send it to someone, or simply to preserve your work. You can cut, move, or copy text along the entire document or between different documents. You have different tools to have the text format as you want. For example, you can distinguish some words from others using bold or underlining, or you can use italic when you want to put foreign words or technical terms or unfamiliar words or titles of works like journals, films, songs. You can format complete paragraphs if you're writing a letter or a memo or one chapter of a novel. Each paragraph can play different roles, and so you can format them differently. You can store templates for formatting paragraphs and change the complete look of a paragraph or of a page with a couple of clicks of the mouse. You can use tabs and insert to create simple or multi-level lists. You can change very easily also the page layout. You can use columns, for example, like in this example. You can change the margins. You can put a header and a footer. You can also insert objects, as we usually now we have graphical presentation devices, screens, projectors, and color, ink or laser printers. We want to include in our document a wide variety of objects, and the modern word processor let us do it. We want to change font colors or highlight text, put them in 3D. We want to insert tables, pictures, graphs, or charts, and if we are using an Office suite, we can insert directly from the spreadsheet one chart or one graph. We can put lines and drawings, making borders and things like that. We can also insert formulas, scientific symbols, or as we are reading the documents in computers, we can insert hyperlinks to link to a web page or to another document. And we even have more advanced capabilities. We have templates, one for letters, one for memos. We can have auto-numbering of pages, search and replace text, very potent mail merging capabilities where you have a database of clients and a template of a letter, and you can connect both together to get a different letter to each client. You have autocorrect, spell and grammar checking and thesaurus, support for different languages, even translators, note management. You have also the possibility to add non-visible comments or annotation for collaborative editing between different people. You have also revision management to see who has made what and in which moment. And also, most of the modern word processor, they include task automation with macros, where you can automate repetitive tasks so you can make your work much easier. So what's the conclusion? That the modern word processor are very powerful tools that offer us a wide variety of advanced features that help us to be productive in generating rich, elegant, and awesome documents.